If you've come across bossyshop.com, you might be wondering one thing. Is it actually a legit Bose store? Or is something not right? I decided to take a closer look. At first, the website may look like a normal online store. It uses the Bose name and appears to offer Bose products at prices that could catch your attention. And that's exactly where you need to be careful. The first thing I would check is the website address. bossyshop.com is not the same as the official Bose website. That alone doesn't automatically prove it's a scam, but it is definitely something worth noticing. Next, look at the deals. If you see expensive Bose headphones, speakers, or other products being sold for extremely low prices, that should raise a red flag. Big discounts can be real, but unrealistic prices are often used to attract buyers. I'd also check the company information. Look for a real business address, working contact details, clear return policies, and secure payment options. If important information is missing or difficult to verify, I would avoid placing an order. Another thing I would not ignore is the website's reputation. Search for independent reviews before buying. Don't rely only on testimonials displayed on the store itself. Those can be difficult to verify. And here's my biggest warning. If a website is using a famous brand name, but you cannot confirm that it is an authorized retailer, don't assume it is connected to that brand. So, is bossyshop.com legit? Based on the warning signs I'd look for, I would not rush into buying from this website. I would verify the store independently first. If the price looks too good to be true, take a step back. Check the official Bose website. Compare prices. Verify the seller. And most importantly, protect your payment information.